Indonesia is a rich country in culture and nature. One of natural treasure is tarantula. Tarantula belong to the arthropod phylum and archid class. The number of tarantula record based on World Spider Catalog edition 16 consists of 983 species and continue to grow as the new species are discovered. They are spread almost all over the world and 40 of them are native to Indonesia. Tarantula Indonesian scattered on the island of Java, Sumatra, Kalimantan, Papua, and several other small islands. Currently, there are approximately 100 tarantula lovers communities in Indonesia. Tarantula can produce cocoon or egg nests that have protein in them. Cocoon contains spider silk protein has function to accelerate wound healing.
Spider silk contains very important filamentous molecular protein such as spider silk protein, which is a colloid solution that is very suitable in the treatment and healing of wounds. Research conducted by Bio in 2010 on healing second-degree burns using spider silk proved that the wound healing process by spider silk protein was better than using regular gauze. Spider silk protein has a scaffolding structure that is able to repair the epithelial and connective tissue parts and increase the number of fibroblasts and collagen synthesis, which play a role in faster wound closure and healing.
Indonesia is a culturally rich country. One of these cultures is Batik as the identity of the nation. UNESCO has established more than 5,000 IndonesiaBatik motifs spread from Aceh to Papua. However, as Batik age began to disappear, its existence could lead to extinction.
Gauze design. Gauze is the newest gauze product concept in Indonesia. Gauze is made from tarantula charcoal and is equipped with a typical Indonesian Batik adhesive. Gauze has two product concepts, namely rolled gauze and gauze plaster. The first one is gauze plaster. Gauze plaster is a gauze specially designed for wounds that have narrower or smaller area. Gauze plaster designed with a size of 2 x 6 cm cubic and 3 x 7 cm cubic. The second is rolled gauze. Rolled gauze is a gauze specially designed for wider or uneven wounds. Rolled gauze designed with a size of 15 x 40 yards.
Gauze Pro has advantage over other sterile gauze. Gauze Pro has a unique base material, namely tarantula ignis, with an archipelago batik motif design containing protein, and then Gauze Pro can accelerate wound healing. Gauze Pro has been promoted on various other social media in Indonesia, such as Surya Malang, Kompas.com, and so on.
The long-term planning that we will do are 1. Concept creation and product samples by third parties. Sweden Corporation does concept branding through social media to introduce Gauze Pro before it is produced. Plans to establish tarantula raw materials partner and spinning partners in the Malang area and Batu City. 2. Gauze Pro will go through the stage of a clinical trial process and obtain an Indonesian national standard number. 3. Gauze Pro will be marketed in the Java area. 4. Gauze Pro will establish tarantula raw materials partners and spinning partners in the Java area. Gauze Pro will be marketed throughout Indonesia. 5. Gauze Pro will establish tarantula raw materials partner and spinning partners in Indonesia, are ready to be mass-produced throughout Indonesia and exported to the international market. Gauze Pro products have received funding in the Student Creativity Program by Ministry of Education and Culture. Gauze Pro has also registered the copyright for product concept.
Let's care to our environment. Let's care to Indonesian potential because we are the greatest innovator to change the world to be better.